So welcome to this early morning's walk around. I'm at the Oceanside, the Leaf by Katathani collection. Let me spin this round. Now, apparently there are, I think, 5 different hotels here by this group. So I'm just going to take you for a little walking tour here. Now, I have reviewed this before. I'll put a link somewhere here in the description below. So I'm just going to give you an up-to-date review. I'm actually staying here, so I'll do a room review here as well. I've got breakfast here, and I'll give you a review of the breakfast. So if you're thinking of staying here, currently timing of filming is first start of the second week in November. So I'll give you an idea of the weather and everything. So let's go for a little walk around the hotel and see what's going on. Okay, come and join me. So this is the entrance way. Oh, to get to the beach, straight through there, straight down. You're literally 50 meters away. You've got ample car parking here. You're just going up to the security checkpoint here. You have the reception, breakfast room, and just behind are all the rooms. Just while I'm walking you up to reception, just give you an idea of the weather. It's about 8:30 in the morning now. And this year we've had lots of monsoons. So Thailand, Vietnam, the whole of this kind of area has been really hit hard by the weather. They've had big floods here in Khao Lak. Normally the weather is much better this time of year, but yeah. So let's have a quick nosy through reception. The staff here are so helpful, unbelievable. So we've got a tour desk here. We'll do all the trips and what have you. Morning. Very helpful reception. And we have what's called the living room. Now this is an air-conditioned room. Where if you're waiting for your room to be made up, or you've left the hotel and you're waiting for your transfer, that's where you go. Okay, so let's have a little walk around the restaurant. So join me for breakfast in the morning. I think it's about 7 o'clock. So the place is nice and empty at the moment. So these lovely ladies are here to help. Fruit juice, ice water, coffee machine, tea. Selection of fruits. Broken coffee machine. Cereals. And then I'll just pan you through what's available for breakfast. Egg station. Morning. 3-minute eggs, that's good. 5-minute eggs and 7-minute eggs. Excellent, like it. Place is absolutely immaculately clean. So French toast. That looks alright. Fried bananas. And some pastries. Honey. And the beloved universal toaster that everyone loves when it comes to hotels. And we get a salad station in the middle. Cheeses and hams.
Hello. How are you?
And this is my omelette being made from a mix of everything.
What?
Cheese and ham.
No.
Cheese.
No chance. No,
No
ham.
ham. Okay.
No ham. Cheese?
So the restaurant is open 6:30 till 10 o'clock, which is really good if you're off on trips. We've got the shutters down to today because last night was raining and they've not taken them up yet. So the accommodation is on 2 levels, 3 levels, and on single levels, depending where you are. I'm filming early morning because it's a family-friendly hotel and it's full of children. So I don't really want to be filming when all the kids are in the pool. So I want to give you just an overview of what it looks like, how it's laid out. You've got plenty of decent quality sunbeds. You've got loads of these morning umbrellas here to keep the shade off. We've got 2 pools. Now, I've only been here for, what, 24 hours, so this was dominated by kids yesterday. And this pool was full of adults now. I'm not sure whether this is an adults only and that's a children's only, but that's what that's how people were using it yesterday. So all the accommodation, as you can see on this side, are on 2 stories. And you go further to the back in more villa style. And then just behind here, there's another set of buildings, and they're up to 3 stories high. And if you don't want to sit around the pool, there's loads of chairs laid out on the grass, and you do have the shade to go with it, which is quite nice. I will do a walk around of my room, but it's a bit of a state at the moment. Just woke up, so I'll wait for the maid to come in and clean before I do an overall review. This is classed as a 3-star. I'd say it's more 4-star than 3-star, to be honest. And as I say, it does welcome families, couples. And that's why I'm doing the video now, so nice and early in the morning, where everything's nice and quiet for you. There's a bar that runs here all day. They do afternoon buffet style lunch and evening buffet style. And just here is your bar area with a little kids pool. This is my room here. Just there. So obviously this is the area with the got the 3 stories going on here. This is slightly set back from the pool, so I suppose if you want a slightly quieter environment away from the pool area, you could request one of these rooms. It's very well maintained. It looks quite a pretty place. Let's just have a walk around. The gardens are well kept. So let's spin you around. Okay, so primary choice for choosing this particular hotel. We booked through an operator this time. This is a TUI hotel and a first choice hotel. So it worked out cheaper than booking flights individually. But this time we booked a package. Not normally my style, but it just worked out cheaper that way. And this was the best value hotel. We got it at a particularly good price, so I'm happy with that. Chose this area to stay in. You're very central. So just this way, 50 metres, you have the beach. Up a hill here. And to the headland over this way on the main street. You've got the main street. You're literally 10-minute, 5-minute ride away to the night market. One thing I will say, Khao Lak Centre, 10 o'clock, it's finished. So I suggest you probably get your glad rags on if you're going out sunset time, and be making your way back around about 10 o'clock in the evening. So there you go. That's just a quick view of the layout of the place. If you're watching this video now and you haven't watched the start, and you're wondering why it's so quiet, it's first thing in the morning. Like I said before at the start, I didn't really want to be videoing. There's lots of children here. It's very much a family hotel, this. Never like videoing when it's full of children, so I just thought I'd get my review done first thing after breakfast. Okay, so I'll do a room review now. So come and join me in the room. So, I'll give you a quick room tour. Our lovely maid is making our room up at the moment. Morning! So we've gone for, there's 3 of us here at the moment, so we've gone for the two beds and a cot bed. And I've got an extra mattress on there, so it's nice and fluffy. It's like sleeping on a marshmallow. And we have a nice big balcony here. So you get 2 chairs. Not the most comfortable in the world, but they're alright. And this is your breakfast area, your restaurant. And we're overlooking the pool here. And you can see all the forest mountain thing in the background there. So that's quite pleasant for this room. Let's take you on a tour inside so you know what you get. You get power points behind this bed and this bed. 2 bedside lamps, obviously. The 3rd bed is put in as an option. Nice big fridge, which is lovely. Kettles included. Power points here. Complimentary water. Storage here with safe. Loads more storage up there again. Hook. And then, hello, let this lady past. Aircon, nice and cold. It's triggered by the key, so when you leave, you lose your power. So if you're charging your phones, try and get a blank one, so you can leave and still have anything charging in the room. As soon as you take that out, the power's dead. And then, bathroom, quite standard. Toilet, sink. You give it some complimentary stuff. You get the obligatory bum gun and the shower. Okay, so that just gives you a basic overview of the 3-bedroom accommodation. Oh, and I forgot to mention flat screen TV. Not turned it on, don't know, never do, but I suppose it's here if you want to watch it. There you go. So that's pretty much it. That's just an overview of this hotel, this resort. If you're staying here, what to expect. And like I said, the weather's not been the best at the moment, so I'm really hoping for the weather to improve when I go diving the next 10 days. Just talking to someone who's on one of the boats, there was 3-meter swells on the way out to the islands the other day, Similar Island. So hoping that calms right down when I go diving and I get some nice pancake flat sea. Okay, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Like, subscribe, click the bell notification, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching. So the hotel does have really decent Wi-Fi. So if you want to do any planning, prepping, or a little bit of work, you can use their email. And they also have a multilingual library here as well. So if you've forgot a book or you're just at a loose end and want to get a bit of reading going on, just let yourself a book from the library.